Hi, this is Adam Ogilvy with ORC Services, and I'm here today to announce our grand winner of our 12 Days to Christmas. And before I do that, I wanted to make sure thank everybody who's voted on our 12 Days of Christmas charities to date. And if it's something that you want to follow in the future, please like our business page and invite your friends from your personal page to ORC Services. And so here it is. Grand prize winner goes to the Buggy Bunch, and we're giving them $1,500 from $1,000 from ORC Services and $500 from Farrow Construction. And to my right here is the crew of Buggy Bunch. And you want to take a second to tell everybody a little bit about what you guys do?
Yes. Well, first of all, thank you. We are just amazed and humbled and so excited about this. And so again, thank you. The Buggy Bunch is a local nonprofit organization serving moms and families in Indian River County. And so we offer all kinds of programming from play groups, exercise groups, Bible studies, cooking classes, all kinds of fun stuff. So we are just so excited, and thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Congratulations, and Merry Christmas, everybody. And keep in mind that ORC Services does have a Twitter page and a YouTube page, so please follow us there as well. And this is something I think we're going to plan on doing at least every year, maybe more than once a year. It's been a great experience for us, and we brought a lot of awareness to all these local charities. So Merry Christmas again, and God bless.